Hello everybody and welcome back. We are back as promised with another box that we got from National Hockey Card Day. Woo! Been holding on to this box for a while, over a month I think. Let's do it. Let's go Connor Bedard. I'd like to get one of those black retro ones. Those are pretty cool. J.H. Thompson.
Bam! Just like that. That's all there is to it, Dustin. That's all there is to it. A winner. Just like that. We'll be right back on our Price is Right. Don't go away.
So happy about that. First pack. Man alive. Welcome home, Connor. I don't think I have one of these yet. I think that's the first one. And yes, it's got a back. It's not blank back. Oh, buddy. What's up with this box? Let's just put all these together for now. Gotta love a Matthew Nyes rookie. He did well in the playoffs for Toronto as well, while they were in it. Man, lots of guys from Team Canada there. I just see Nick Paul, yeah. Nick Paul, and I saw Dylan Gunther just before that. Tanev. All Team Canada guys. I mean, I'm already satisfied with this box. Super awesome to have a Connor Bedard card in there, the retro dude. Pretty sure I don't have one of those, or if I do, I only got one. Old Duke, that's sweet. David. And final pack. Evangelista, nice. Right on. That was a great pack. We got quite a number of hits in that one. Still got to separate these guys from base cards and hits, but very, very, very pleased with that. I think that was an excellent box. All right, folks. The immortal words of Hal Johnson and John McLeod. Keep fit and have fun. We'll see you the next time.